The Constitution of India. Part 3. Fundamental Rights. Saving of certain laws. Article 31B. Validation of certain acts and regulations. Without prejudice to the generality of the provisions contained in Article 31A. None of the acts and regulations specified in the 9th schedule, nor any of the provisions thereof shall be deemed to be void, or ever to have become void on the ground that such act, regulation or provision is inconsistent with, or takes away or abridges any of the rights conferred by any provisions of this part. And, notwithstanding any judgment, decree or order of any court or tribunal, to the contrary, each of the said acts and regulations shall, subject to the power of any competent legislature to repeal, or amend it, continue in force.